Here we have an old pine triple wardrobe. This one dates from the 1930s, and like most of our wardrobes, it does totally dismantle for delivery, so we can get it up stairways and what have you into bedrooms. So right at the top you've got a piece there that, if the height's a slight issue, that could actually be taken off. It's not really doing anything for the wardrobe, so there's a couple of inches to be saved there if necessary. These sides are panelled, as are the doors, and you have just a little bit of decorative carving on the left and right hand doors, as you can see there. Again, the left hand side panelled. The feet are just these straight block feet, front and rear. The two doors, or two locks rather, have a fully working lock with a key. This left hand side, you've got 1, 2, 3 shelves in there. They are adjustable, as you can see from the fittings here. You can adjust these up and down to suit your own individual needs. And then the double section on the right hand side, again working lock with key. And we will put a brand new brass hanging rail in there to hang your clothes. And right at the bottom, just lock that one. Right at the bottom you've got these two sizable drawers, both with wooden knobs on, useful storage. And the keys, nice old brass key plates there. Code for this one, P2952E. The price on the build is £900. If you like it wax polished, it's £997. 83.5 inches high, it's 65 inches wide, 26.5 inches deep. The internal depth, very deep, 23.5 inches, so plenty deep enough to hang the largest of coats.